Hello, my name is Alex, and this is my response to all of RB Trend's interview questions. I have basic proficiency using Python, having used it extensively for web scraping. And additionally, during my college years, I used to work as a program coordinator for a non-tech company. Now, they had a huge number of CSV files where they stored donors and partners of the program and their contact information, and they had no order whatsoever. At the time, I had already decided to pursue a career in software development, and this is how I initially found out about Python and the Pandas library. It helped me run through all of their data, sort it out, group it into a single file for a better overview. Additionally, I am very adept at web development, proficient using the Laravel framework and the Vue.js framework, having developed multiple projects with these technologies. My start in programming was actually native Android application development. So in addition to all of this, I have a very strong foundation in Java and object-oriented programming principles. Last but not least, during my college studies, I actually worked as an English teacher for multiple years, which can assure you that I am very adept at the remote work model, and also I will have no issues communicating clearly and efficiently in the English language. In conclusion, I think my willingness to learn and my work ethic is what will set me apart from other candidates. I value constructive criticism a lot, and I will have no problem taking guidance from you and your team in order to contribute to the end goal. I can assure you that if given this opportunity, I will not let you down. I have actually finished a Harvard computer science course called Python and JavaScript Programming in order to enhance my understanding of Python. In the past, during a professional internship I was enrolled in, I had to develop a web browser-based game using the Vue.js framework. In that case, I implemented Selenium in order to ensure a smooth user experience, and I actually automated the end-to-end tests using Java. Additionally, I am also very familiar with other testing tools such as the Espresso test recorder and Appium, which is also based on Selenium. As far as GitHub and Git in general goes, I also have experience with GitLab, and I use it regularly and in all of my projects, and it is completely integrated into my workflow. I believe tools like GitHub and GitLab dramatically increase productivity, especially if you work with small commits, in which case you get a very good overview of the changes made on your project, or when working with large refactors, in which case it is much easier to make modifications to the application without actually breaking anything in your existing codebase. Additionally, with tools like Cloudflare and similar tools, it really makes deployment a lot easier. I have not yet had to deliver anything I would consider bad news. There were small things here and there, but nothing really major. Having said that, I always take full accountability for all of my tasks and actions, and I am very direct. So if there was anything bad I needed to say, I would say it in a direct manner, but keeping a respectful and calm tone. Well, first of all, I would try to do it as soon as possible, as soon as I am aware that a delay may happen, and I would try to provide a clear and concise reason, whether that be unforeseen technical difficulties, resource constraints, or similar. I would also try to discuss the impact this is going to have on the end line of the project, whether the budget has to change, whether a new deadline has to be reset, and for when that new deadline has to be reset. And also, if possible, I would try to offer a certain solution for the problem. Now, I would be very careful when setting a new deadline in order to ensure that the delay doesn't happen again. I take pride in my work ethic, and I don't know how to give less than 101%. I really am fully committed to accomplishing all of my tasks on time and well. So far, I haven't had to go through a blockage, but in the case that I did, I would try to find someone or something, some sort of a resource, that solves a similar problem to the one I am facing in the moment, fast. Nowadays, I feel like it's much easier to solve these blockages because you can leverage the power of multiple artificial intelligence tools to help you along the way. In conclusion, I am very excited to become a part of your team. I am a very hard worker, always willing to learn and improve in order to contribute to the end goal. I have a strong foundation in programming, including basic Python proficiency, and I can safely guarantee that giving me this chance is not a decision you will regret. I hope you have a nice day.